let's look how Romance and Violetta will dance Tango gold level routine with the count. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 quick and quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. And quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 quick and quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 quick. Very good. And now let's look at the same tango choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start by taking close hold and dance progressive link, achieving promenade position. Then we dance Chasse with Chasse to right, Whisk and Promenade link. From here we dance Contra check, transfer weight, finish in Promenade position and dance closed Promenade. Then we dance Fallaway reverse, slip pivot and Fallaway 4-step. Very good. Let's look once again to choreography in slow motion. So we take closed hold and start with progressive link, achieving promenade position. From promenade we dance Chasse with progressive Chasse to right and Whisk and Promenade link. Now we dance Contra check, transfer weight and finish in Promenade position and dance very basic closed Promenade. From here we continue with Fallaway reverse, slip pivot and Fallaway 4-step. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.